Eliminate pet business growing pains. You ever notice how most of the knowledge about your business and all of the operations kind of just lives up here in your head, making everything depend on you? This is very common, so don't beat yourself up. It's normal for you to start pulling your hair out, wondering how you got to this position after your business blows up because you're so amazing. What you want to do along the way is be looking for one of these three things that you can implement into your business and make it more manageable and more sustainable emotionally, physically, mentally, and financially. Number one, you want repeatable systems. For example, I found myself in the beginning constantly spending 5 to 10 minutes on this long, detailed instruction for every single meet and greet. I was confirming the date and time. I was telling them instructions on how to arrive and how to make sure that they arrive at the time that they say, or let me know if they didn't so that I don't have the dogs outside barking. I was making sure they had the correct address. Of course, GPS has my street name wrong, so I have to let them know about that. There was all these details, and I kept repeating this for every single meet and greet that I set up, which is a lot the first few years. Until one day, my boyfriend at the time had this like brainiac idea that I don't know why I didn't think of, but he was like, why don't you just save the message and then copy and paste it every single time you have a new customer? And I was like, oh my God, what a bright idea. And so, yes, that's what I did. And I still do that to this day. And that was like, I don't know, 5 years ago now. So find ways that you can do repeating processes. You can just cut and paste, or you can train a staff member even to repeat the process the same way over and over again, just like a McDonald's franchise, right? They're teaching every franchise how to repeat the process over and over again, no matter the location. This is going to help you tremendously save a lot of time. Number two, find ways to automate anything and everything that you can possibly automate without sacrificing the quality and value that you bring to your customers should be implemented. For example, when I created my membership, I automated the process of scheduling for all of my daycare. I automated the invoicing, the charging of my customers' credit cards. It's automatic. I don't even have to think about it. I wake up a couple of days out of every month and I have payments in my inbox that I never lifted a finger for again after setting it up. This is not only time saving, but it also helps to reduce costly mistakes. And number three is to delegate, 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 baby. Because when you can find something that is really like a $15 an hour task, when you're the top dog CEO and you should be focusing on things that bring in $100 an hour, then you want to delegate those tasks as much as possible to somebody else. If you're doing at home dog boarding and daycare, can you delegate cleaning to a cleaning service or hire somebody to do the cleaning? Can you hire a VA, a virtual assistant, to do your invoices? That's what I have. I have somebody who goes into the calendar and sets up all of the invoices in the system, both the deposit invoice and the balance invoices. And all I have to do is go in and review them and hit send. Again, this is going to save you so much time and help eliminate more mistakes from happening. Because when you have somebody who can be focused on one thing that they're doing instead of you, who are usually focused on 2,500 different things at once, am I right? Then chances are they're going to do a better job at it than you can because they are not so scattered. If these tips help you and you need more to make sure you build a pet business that is sustainable not only financially, but emotionally, physically, and mentally, then make sure you hit the follow, subscribe, or like button and come back for more.